Hey, how do you feel now that the bedroom's clean?
Great, hun.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do a workout. Where did I put
My clothes are over there.
Oh yes, we're gonna fall in love in a minute. Were you filming me?
What did you do today, Tilly?
Went to Disney Springs. I brought all of Courtney's stuff, but she's paid me back.
Little rich girl over there.
And then, what else? What else were you? Came home.
Watch Clueless.
Watched Clueless, watched the Brady Bunch movie. Gonna watch the second one tomorrow. Yeah. That's it.
It was a chill day, wasn't it?
Yeah, just chill. And I cleaned.
I did. I cleaned. Okay, that looks messy, but like, it's all food, so
If you didn't see it before.
it was messy. Suitcase was everywhere. Clothes were everywhere. Nothing was hung up. I have spare hangers if you need any.
I got hangers.
Okay, but like if you want to just pop them on or something, you know.
Now I'm gonna go work out.
Yeah.
It's 10:30
Nice.
in the evening.
Lovely. Goodbye, Tilly. Enjoy your workout.
Thank you.
No, it was on the walk path. Look. Look. See?
If anybody wants a mid-walk snack, McDonald's is there.
Walking around Naomi's apartment area. Apparently there's alligators. Ooh, take crunch that one. Ooh. Not as good as my first one. I should have recorded it. That was great. That was amazing. Wow, your jacket is real red. It's a bark bus. This is for dogs.
That's all right, Dad.
It's the
Love you.
Love you.
girls are tempted. Look how cool this water is. Ooh, Iceland.
And you scan out over there.
Oh.
None of them.
None of them was it?
Did you hide the weighing scales for next time?
No, they just put them back on the shelf.
Yeah.
And we were like, okay. You filming?
Yeah, we are already going, girl.
Okay.
Blink, blink,
I'm
blink.
addicted. If you can tell. Let's see what I got. We're going to watch the Brady Bunch, the second one.
Watched the first one yesterday.
Yeah, we were waiting for the one scene.
iconic
that everyone
scene.
knows.
Sure, Joanne.
Exactly. and it didn't come up, and then Hannah was like, "That's the next one." I was like, "Oh."
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was thinking it was the sequel when we started it because I remember saving it.
You know what? I watched the one where you did the shack, and I was like, "She takes this 3 times, doesn't she?"
She does.
I mean, it's still a good one, but
is
it's
it?
not my shack. It's Brunson.
Who?
Brunson.
And who?
Oh, he's on the New York Knicks. That was the one that. I do love the Knicks logo. I don't know if you're meant to actually stick these on here, but I think it's gonna look so cool when all the courts together.
Oh yeah. Do they attach together?
Yeah.
Have you been doing it?
Yeah. Except you have to get the correct ones.
Mm.
Actually, which way have I think I've done them.
Why
way
not
should I
just
do?
get it? They're all the way downstairs, aren't they?
I'll just do it this way.
You can undo it.
Oh, actually, I can't even put it that way, so it's gonna go on this way.
I think you've been doing it that way. Because then they stand on it.
He's a handsome dude though.
Yeah.
Look at his bone
Look, you didn't
structure.
finish your lollipop.
Look at his bone structure. Neither did you.
Yeah, but that's because I wanted it blue.
I love these basketball things. I am obsessed.
I have a really ugly finger.
Oh. I don't know if you guys know this yet, but I want Shaq.
No, you would have got Shaq.
I
but
got
you want
Shaq.
the
I
limited
want the
edition.
limited edition one. Shaq would be cool though. Those ones are cool though. Also with the rare ones, some of them come with the like hoop and stuff, so that you can actually shoot it into the hoop.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I don't know. Like that black thing is so it shoots into the hoop,
Wow.
so you can shoot the basketballs in.
That's cool.
Oh, there's a rare one of him. The one that I
Really
just
got
got.
it today.
Damn.
I wonder.
I wonder what Erin's is. If Erin's got a rare one, I'm taking it.
Yeah, you just switcheroo.
What the fuck? Do you know what I laughed at last night? Did you hear me have like a big laugh?
Yes! You scared me!
I was watching the vlog and it was the part where I went you know, just randomly.
Yeah.
That's the part I laughed. Look at how handsome.
Tilly, the man even
Jalen Brunson, Shaquille O'Neal, and Jamal Murray. Look at them. I've got a good looking team.
At Outback, get down under favourites like the Aussie 3-course starting at $14.99.
It's a 3-layered
Any
sandwich.
reason is a good reason to celebrate at Outback.
And then we're going to watch The Brady Bunch whenever it's on, the sequel. Look at Tilly.
Customize your turn on your phone.
Bow chicka. Oh, there's no bounce to that. Work out, Tilly. You fatty. No, I can't.
Mum, Erin said that the whole family should go.
Tilly, you
No,
can do it
don't put
now.
that pressure on me. I'm too scared now.
Yeah, if you love to stay 30. I hear it, yeah.
Yeah, but as soon as I get to yours, I'd actually have to stay awake and do classes.
You'd have to stay away.
If I drove to yours, I would have to actually like stay awake. I can't get to yours with a nap. I'd have to stay awake and do classes. Guy in that security.
Yeah, the worst with glasses on.
I just went into the wrong estate and there was a guy and I drove straight up to his car. That's fun.
Well, people aren't like that having so much fun.
Yeah, it's alive.
Everyone's
Aaron,
having
we're going to
friggin'
bed
parties.
too early.
We've got to keep going. Jessie's turning in.
Turning back in.
Who's going to bed too early? I'm going to bed at like 2 or 3 a.m. every night. That's too late.
Well, yeah, you're doing that on a work night.
Jesse's direction is I've never been there and I know it was down here.
Guys, look, the high beams just went on again. come out of nowhere. I'm scared.
That helps. Homeless people won't live around here.
But hillbilly would. I think I could turn around.
Hillbillies are Christians.
What?
I'm so fucking scared right
I'd
now.
turn
I don't
around
like this
here.
backup camera over. It's making me
Turn
scared.
around here.
Okay. Guys, I'm scared shitless right now.
Look, their lights on. They seem like a nice family.
They seem like us.
They come out with guns and be like, "Who the fuck are you on?"
I got lost. I was trying to find my friend's house.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't want to be here.
Izzy would be bedroom.
She would. I would just.
Phone is not responding.
I would freak Dizzy out.
Do you guys
Okay.
remember when we got told off by a woman for going on a driveway?
Yeah,
And it wasn't even her driveway, it was just the public pavement.
Was that Buxton?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who said don't tell anyone?
We were literally moving Grandpa and Grandma.
I didn't like how there was a dead end at the
Grammy.
beginning.
I think it's going down.
That was nice.
No. Keep going down.
And I didn't think he just saw Izzy's reaction to that.
Go down a bit. I remember this parking lot.
So you want me to go left?
Yeah.
That way, towards.
There's darkness all around us, Han. I don't think that's fun.
That's why we're in a big car.
Look, there's lights at the end of the tunnel.
I'm scared.
Lights at the end of the tunnel.
I don't think I've ever driven this close to the steering wheel before. It's all swampy. See, if they had lights all over this, then I'd be like, oh,
Because that's why they moved here, to be rural.
oh, look, that's a nice house.
You're the same. That one's all done up.
Oh, I forgot that's one of the nice houses.
Wow.
Light at the end of the
Red picket
tunnel.
fences.
Dead end.
Yeah, I couldn't do rural.
Dead end again. Hannah, what the
Wow. Look at that.
No, I saw lights at the end of the drive.
Go down. Go down that one.
No, I just
It
saw,
might be
I
that
saw
one.
fucking car lights down there. I'm not doing shit down there. It says
It might be down that one.
Arab Poho. What the fuck is an Arab Poho?
Arabica.
I don't want to find out.
You could
Too scary for me. Don't like it. How do people live like here? That's scary.
I wouldn't be able to live out.
That is actually scary.
That is.
Look at the lights.
It's too scary. That's what I'm saying. I'd have to live in a gated area.
Yeah, I agree.
Look at it. It's just It's like fucking Stranger Things. It's like Stranger Things.
Yeah.
Like the other side.
Literally.
It's that. I remember this little section.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you don't. Because
Maybe it's the opposite side.
Don't forget, Hannah thought she was there for Jake and Amy making out.
that's true.
That's a completely different thing for direction. I'm pretty good with directions, thank you very much.
Well, we've gone two different ways, Hannah. Jack
Okay, there's no need for such
Who's
language.
Jack?
shit himself.
What happened to his statue?
Mm-mm. We'll never know.
No, we won't because I'm not going down.
Because you're a pussy.
I am. Oh, I'm okay with that. It's scary down here, I'll tell you that.
I don't know,
Also, I'm
horse just.
expecting animals to run out of the road.
I know, I'm
and
waiting
have
for
to
a
brake
bear.
really hard.
Oh, if you see a bear, it'd be love and life.
Well, the
Izzy
camera's
shit
already.
himself.
I
We
would be
should
shitting myself.
We should go
I would
to
be shitting
Emerald.
myself just going around Emerald Islands.
Just go to Emerald and be like,
We're here for the
you remember
squires.
us?
I'm such a pussy, but it's okay. I'm okay with it. Maybe.
No, I think just go to the patients. I wouldn't even say the car.
Oh my days.
My apologies, sir. Didn't see you.
What if it's all the way down
People
there?
do donuts here.
Is it donuts or are they just skidding? Because I saw that on the way. It looks like test track.
No, they've got that, and then there's a circle up there. So they must do donuts.
Back onto the road. Back on the road.
Oh. I see one here. Oh, why is that car turning around?
Wow! Look at that fountain.
Oh, there you go. We found quite a few other place.
Oh
Wait.
Jessica, do you know what they have in the fountain? Wait, hold on. This is our fucking area.
No, it's not. This is the other side.
Mallorca.
Yeah.
Big ducks.
Yeah.
What did I tell you?
Yeah, this is the Target run. This is the Target run group.
So where's this place?
I don't know, Rosie. They had a place called Malta, and I was like, why didn't we get to sail Malta Road?
So this is the bigger part
They
of
have
Windsor.
room.
Because look at that.
Well, some of them are like 15 beds or something, apparently.
15?
I want to see one of them.
I didn't mean to go.
They all park on the road.
What?
Oh, that's condos. I thought we had a Mallorca.
We do.
This is so much bigger than the one we're staying at.
Well,
And we're
I was
staying
saying
at tiny.
But where's their clubhouse?
Wow, look at that road.
It's a Mickey Mouse.
Why is there so many
I
cars?
was literally thinking that.
Yeah,
like,
why
I
is there
meant
so
to
many
drive
cars?
through. Like that side's houses, so you should be parked on the road. Oh, they must be having a party or something.
Why wasn't I invited?
They don't know you, do they? Who introduced
I just feel like they send invitations anyway.
But none of these are condos actually.
No.
So you should all be on a driveway.
I don't think that that's straight to my driveways. Oh, look, there's the exit.
So where's their clubhouse? Or are we the only ones with a clubhouse?
Maybe we're the only ones with the clubhouse. Well, our card works to get into this one. So maybe everyone has to. Sorry.
Yeah. That might be correct, Izzy.
Go ahead.
I was just gonna say the clubhouse for us was around the pond, and we didn't go around the pond. We went straight into a drive.
Those are big houses. Yeah, that's true.
I think they're all the same size as ours is.
That one's big.
I think it's the same size.
Actually, that's sexy.
Well, that one is quite big, but it's. Is it a condo?
How the fuck are we at a dead end? Get the fuck out of Oh, it's a Nissan Rogue.
Check the number plate. I mean, Nissan Rogue. I've been checking number plates.
That's really funny.
I want my car back.
I haven't.
I'm still tempted to bring this car back.
Baby back, I want my baby back, baby back, baby
Guys, it's
back.
raining.
I want my
It's Britain's.
chilly baby back room.
Road.
Fuck, he's at the end of the road too. Oh, no.
Road.
I got to the end of the road. See, when you guys aren't the drivers, it's fine.
Why, you're a good driver. If you're
Just doing sit there.
maybe he's waiting for an Uber.
Maybe he's waiting for
Maybe
the
he's waiting for the
U-Haul.
U-Haul. Yes! Yeah!
I mean,
Road.
it's only 12:20.
Road.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm knackered. I just wanted to get out of the house.
Don't call me a barbecue addict.
You saw
So
some
I'm
of my
sitting there with
titties.
barbecue sauce on my titties.
Have a safe flight, Joshua and Hamara.